Joellen and Chris dug up the Swiss chard about an hour ago.
Move the mulch away.
All right.
And dig down. Try to get some roots with it.
You can see it's already really wilting because it's kind of warm today. So we need to get it in the ground quickly. We're going to use this raised bed for it. So because it was already growing somewhere, a lot of the roots are damaged, which is why it's so wilted. You need to very carefully take the plant and put it into the soil and make sure that it is buried to the same level that it was before. And then, more important than anything else, is we got to make sure that this is well watered, because the plant has a lot of leaves and not as many roots as it used to have. We could even come in here to the bottom and maybe remove some of these leaves here to reduce the amount of water the plant needs to take up. So I'm going to go ahead and plant the rest of these here. So we're done planting them. I watered them really good. I want to make sure that the wet soil isn't just on the very top. So I'm just going to pick a spot here and dig down a little bit. And yep, I went down about 6 to 8 inches and it's still wet, so that's good. We'll need to, make sure that these plants stay watered for the next week or two until they have regrown some roots, so they can then survive on their own with just the rain that we get. So we'll have to see how they do.